bryophytes are a division of plants that include all non-vascular land plants. This includes the mosses, hornworts, and liverworts.
Non-vascular plants or bryophytes do not have true leaves, stems, or roots. Instead of true leaves, these plants, mosses specifically, have phyllids, which are small leaf-like structures with a single unbranched vein. Instead of stems, mosses have stem-like structures called colloids, to which phyllids are spirally attached. Instead of roots, bryophytes have rhizoids, which anchor the plant, but they do not absorb any water or nutrients.
Non-vascular plants do not produce seeds. They reproduce via spores rather than seeds. They alternate between sexual and asexual phases of the life cycle. The gametophyte phase is the sexual phase, and the phase gametes are formed. The male sperm are unique because they have two flagella that aid movement. The gametophyte appears green, leafy vegetation that remains attached to the ground. The sporophyte phase is the asexual phase and is the phase in which the spores are produced. Sporophytes protrude from and remain attached to the gametophytes. In non-vascular plants, they spend most of their time in the gametophyte phase, and the sporophyte phase is completely dependent upon the gametophyte for nutrition. This is because photosynthesis takes place in the plant gametophyte phase. Reproduction can slightly differ between the bryophytes, moss, and liverwort plants.
They are generally less than 10 centimeters tall. They often grow in colonies that carpet the ground. Mosses are non-vascular plants that fall under the phylum Bryophyta. Of all the bryophytes, mosses more greatly resemble vascular plants than do liverworts and hornworts. At least 15,000 species of moss have been discovered. Mosses therefore represent the most diverse type of non-vascular plants. Liverworts are non-vascular plants that fall under the phylum Marchantiophyta. Liverworts therefore gained their name from being a small plant that bears some resemblance to a liver, and they were once used as herbal medicine for the liver. Hornworts belong to the phylum Anthoceratophyta of the non-vascular plants. Hornworts do not grow flowers, and they gain their name from their spore capsules, the sporophyte part of the plant that resembles a horn growing.
In all, non-vascular plants or bryophytes are plants that lack a vascular tissue system. They have no flowers, no leaves, no roots, and no stems, and cycle between sexual and asexual reproductive phases.
Bryophytes are plants that usually grow in damp, humid, and shaded localities. They are also called amphibians of the plant kingdom because though bryophytes grow in soil, they need a moist habitat for sexual reproduction.